Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Center. Today we have a Galaxy S20 Ultra with this weird glitch on the display. And of course, our Samsung Galaxy expert will fix it for us today. So let's get to it. So as you can see here, it's got really a very big damage on the display. It's not really usable. And we have here a brand new replacement display. And knowing that it's going to be David doing the repair, it's going to be quite easy to look at. First thing, we're going to remove the back cover. And it seems to me that this smartphone has been fixed before. Knowing a lot of Samsung Galaxy smartphones will not be opened as easy as this one. So you have adhesive residue on the side of the back cover, which is good, which is a good testament that this smartphone is really resilient on new parts. So it's gonna be working with this one. A lot of high chance that it's gonna work, and it did. So you have your brand new display already attached, and you can see the Galaxy S20 Ultra 5G logo. And it seems to me that's already booted up, but the brightness is very low. So David has to access the brightness level to check if it's even working. And it seems to me that it's working as expected. I'm gonna check the cameras. It's David in inverted form. We're gonna shut it down for now and remove the replacement display. Also, when you remove this replacement display, you also remove the connector for the battery, because sometimes the voltages can get wonky if you remove one component away without properly cutting off the power. We're going to detach all the components that we can see here, because the replacement display also has the housing component around it. So it's going to be a straight transplant of all the components to the new display. So in other words, they are somehow rehoused in the new home. We're going to remove the SIM card tray and of course the main board. The S20 Ultra board is surprisingly wide, because I've seen a lot of Galaxy smartphones with smaller boards, and this flagship specs as well. Well, I guess it's different design on each smartphone model. As you can see here, we're almost done. We have removed the board and the door board and transplanted them to the new display. And next up is the battery. Also gonna remove it and put it on the new display. So the S20 Ultra, although it's got higher specs than the normal Galaxy smartphone, it's easier to fix because of how the components are designed. You don't really mess around with a lot of small parts. Although David is maybe making it look easy, as always. And here, we're just gonna put the final screws and the back cover, and we're done. So if you have a Galaxy S20 Ultra and you can't visit Sydney CBD Repair Center, you can mail in your broken S20 Ultra and we'll fix it for us. We'll do the repair here in the shop, and once it's done, and after we tested it, we'll send it back to you in a better condition. However, if you're around Sydney, just head on to our shop and we'll sort you out. And this S20 Ultra is ready to go. So I hope you enjoyed this, guys. like and subscribe. We'll see you again next time. Cheers.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Center. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.